What the? What's up, guys? This is Beer, and welcome to a game called The Coyote Kills the Roadrunner. This is an old show that was on TV. Well, some of you might know it, but I know it. I grew up with it. It didn't have any meaning. It was just the coyote trying to kill bird. For the dude, let's just jump in it and see what this game has to offer. But from the look of it, you can pick a character. Let's go Coyote. Let's see what he has to do. Use A and D key to switch plans and press spacebar to select. Okay, so we get to. Ooh, okay. So drop boulder. Okay. The rocket chase. The whiplash. Okay, let's start with the boulder. Push! Come on! Open off and let go. That's what happens. Come on! Come on! Push! That's a heavy boulder. You're strong. Don't fall. Don't fall. Come on. Okay. Turn. See a road down there. Is he below? Is he just sitting there? Oh, here he comes. Okay. Press spacebar to drop. Drop! Oh, crap. Okay, let's try that again. So, before he literally even spits the word beep beep out of his mouth, is when I drop the boulder. Alright, I got this. Yes! Yes! I killed you! Okay. Okay, now we got a tick on that one. A rocket chase. Light it up. Oh, we're chasing him down. Oh god. Oh! I'm coming for you. Don't you run away from me. Go! Charge! We're gonna... Come on! I'll cut you off. You're not running away from me, bird! No! Impossible! Over the hill? No! Ooh, okay. Come on. You could win. You're making a mockery of me. Of me. I guess I didn't do it. Yes! Suck on my rocket! Wait. Another one down. One more to go. The souls will be mine. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. You press launch. Oh my god! That wasn't the easiest one, but... Oh my god. We've got all of them. Press any button. Input. Continue. What the? I'm so... What did you think we were going to try and do? Eat him? Eat all the... Okay. Okay. So we're collecting... What? Well, we collect seed? It's so weird. Okay, we've got 9 more to go. Quickly eat it. No. Oh! Oh, okay. Okay. Go. We need to go. We need to go. We need to go. Yep. Let's just fly away. Get as much distance as we can. There we go. Oh, he's getting way faster. More faster he's getting. I don't like that. Okay, well, let's get the furthest one then. Okay. Go! Perfect. Alright, let's get to the other one. On the other side of the map. Yeah, I could. Okay. Let's quickly. Where is he? I don't see him and that scares me. Alright. One more after this. Oh, he's there. Go, 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 go. Quickly. Eat it. Oh, there we go. Yes! This game was actually kind of fun. If you want me to come back and play as the bird, the runner, then yeah, give this game a like and subscribe. But for now, this is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.